Ever left your S Pen behind and realized it way too late? Grimace. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S24 Ultra, this one setting can literally save your S Pen before it's gone for good. A lot of people don't even know this feature exists, but Samsung actually built in a warning system that alerts you when your S Pen gets left behind. Yes, even when your phone screen is off. Hit that like button if this already sounds useful, because this tip can save you money. So here's what's happening. When you walk away without your S Pen, your Galaxy phone can automatically warn you before it's too late. Inside your Samsung settings, there's an option specifically designed to detect when the S Pen is no longer nearby. To turn it on, open the app drawer on your Samsung phone and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Tap the S Pen. Scroll down and tap on More S Pen Settings. Toggle on the Warn if S Pen is left behind. Once this is turned on, your phone keeps an eye on your S Pen in the background and sends a warning if you leave it behind somewhere, like at work, a cafe, or even a friend's house. This works especially well when the phone is locked, which is usually when people lose their S Pen without realizing it. As soon as you move away, your phone lets you know so you can grab it before it's gone. If you use the S Pen regularly, subscribe now so you don't miss more hidden Samsung tips like this. That's how you protect your S Pen and avoid losing it ever again on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or S24 Ultra. Simple setting, big save. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.